Qualities and benefits of a true religion 3. A true religion has many distinctive characteristics, special qualities that distinguish IT from other religions. To summarize, we can say that a true religion informs people that there is only one God, commands them to worship only one God, and informs them that there is nitrogen monoxide, other creator of the entire universe except God. IT demands belief in all prophets and all heavenly books without discrimination. IT explains the existence of an eternal afterlife. IT unites human beings in an order and creates a brotherhood among them. IT shows that there is equality in the creation of human beings. IT preaches that superiority in the sight of God is based on piety and good morals. It is in accordance with reason and wisdom in every aspect, and is conducive to the salvation and happiness of mankind. The only religion that possesses all these qualities is the religion of Islam, which exists on the earth today and will continue until the day of judgment. 4. As for the benefits of the true religion, these benefits are many and very important. Nitrogen monoxide pen is sufficient to describe the benefits and the happy conditions that people will gain from such a religion. We can only say that through a true religion, man learns what he was created for and recognizes his holy God who created him and raised him and has given him countless blessings. He believes in the existence of prophets, the chosen servants of God, and tries to enlighten his life with their good qualities. A true religion gives strength to man, prepares him for life, and comforts him in his most thoughtful and sorrowful days. Thus, IT protects the future life of man. When we think about IT, we realize the following truth. Man is a creature among creatures in this worldly life. Man is a speck compared to the creatures in this world. He struggles with many needs. He is very helpless in the face of some of the forces of the present world. And then, like flowers that wither before they even bloom, it dies, losing its entire existence. Therefore, if humanity consisted of this mortal life, there would be nitrogen monoxide creature as pitiable as human beings. Therefore, from the point of view of this material and mortal life, human life cannot be one of complete peace and bliss. But in another way, man is very fortunate and very happy, because by embracing the true religion, man is at peace in his heart. He is ready to attain eternal happiness. Such a person is confident that an eternal being will protect him with his mercy. All these are some of the benefits that a true religion can bring to the world of humanity. Only through such a religion can man organize his life on the basis of conviction, worship his great Creator, gladly observe his rights, desire to attain the eternal reward of paradise, and serve his co-religionists and the guidance of all human beings. Thus, a very valuable organ of society becomes a reality. Conclusion: there is none other than true religion that gives humanity this high spirit, that teaches this beautiful way of living.